Have you ever seen those insane car commercials where they drive up ridiculously steep mountains? Well, sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. Let's talk about what just happened at China's famous Tianmen mountain. On November 12th, Chery Automobile decided to take on the Heavenly Ladder, a seriously challenging staircase with 999 steps, a super steep 45-degree angle, and some parts that are even steeper. The star of the show, their brand new Fulwin X3L, a powerful SUV they just launched in September. The goal was to show off its incredible power and four-wheel drive system. But the mountain had other ideas. Videos started popping up online showing the Fulwin X3L failing to make the climb. It then started sliding backwards down the wet, narrow steps before crashing into a protective railing, breaking a section of it. Eyewitnesses said the car was just stuck there for 2 hours. For this event, Chery had even closed off this popular tourist spot for 2 days, forcing visitors to use an escalator instead. So what went wrong? This wasn't just a simple case of the car not being good enough. On November 13th, Chery released an official apology. They explained that this was a test event and a shackle on the safety rope as anchor point unexpectedly came loose. This caused the safety rope to get tangled around the car's right wheel, which cut off the power and sent the vehicle sliding. Thankfully, Chery confirmed that no one was hurt in the incident, and there was no damage to the natural environment. They admitted they underestimated the risks and didn't plan the details carefully enough, especially when choosing to do such a risky test in a public scenic area. They've expressed deep regret for the damage and have promised to repair the railing and cover all the costs. It's a pretty dramatic reminder that even with the most powerful cars and ambitious plans, safety has to come first. This marketing stunt definitely got people talking, but probably not in the way Chery had hoped. What do you think? Was this a risk worth taking for some publicity? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. For more car news and stories, see you next time.